got our next project here. It's a 2023 Road Glide Special. Doing a 131 engine kit on it. Rockford Fosgate, Stage 2 audio, saddlebag lid speaker, and fairing. And some stuff on the brakes I think you're going to find really interesting. Today we're going to do a time lapse of the inspection of all the parts and just making sure everything's good, nothing's damaged, and everything's in spec before we even tear the engine down. Alright, hold on tight. Hey, I thought I'd take a break from flying around here to show you a pretty cool tool that I got. This is a lifter bleeder tool that I've made myself. S&S did not make it. Sticker just look cool. So what it is just a jar I can drop my lifters in. And what we want to do is we want to get all the air out of these guys. So it submerges it in the oil. And then by using my brake bleeder, I can suck all the air out of here, causing a vacuum. I don't know if you can see that. It's very important to get all the air out of there. These are absolutely detrimental to the lift of our cam and making sure everything is within specifications. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Adam, do you really inspect every single build like this? Yes, I do. Every single build. When you're doing a big build like this, if you find something like a chip or a scratch or something's out of spec, my cylinders, my rings, anything, you don't want to have the bike ripped apart. If the bike's ripped apart, now I've got an engine sitting open for an extended period of time. Anything can happen. Damage, painted surfaces, things go missing. There's people walking through the shop, right? So this one's great. I didn't find a single mark on anything, so we're good to go. All right, let's get to the fun part. wondering what I'm doing here, I'm running a thread chaser through all these holes. This customer already had a stage 2 cam 447 done, so this has already been opened a couple times. There's some blue Loctite in here. It's going to affect the torquing sequence and the torque retention on this, so I'm cleaning all the threads off and making sure all the debris is out. I put some rags in here. It's just something I do. It's a little more cautious. It's probably not necessary, but I believe in doing everything overkill. All right, now for the fun part. together on our Stage 4 131 engine kit. Everything went really well. We didn't run into any snags, no bumps, so the customer will be very happy to have his bike back. A couple things I wanted to show you before we go. This customer added these black pushrod tubes. He left the lifter blocks chrome just to get a little bit of a contrast. He had the chrome bolt kit, which is really nice. It's also on the transmission cover here. You can do whatever you want. If you want black, if you want chrome, if you want to leave it stock, that's fine. These are the little details that are going to really pop when people look at your bike when you're out at the bar or getting coffee and whatnot. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was really fun to do. Let me know if you have any suggestions or any questions. You can just drop them in the inbox. Take care. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and follow for more content. Take care.